I got spray.
Okay. Some splash down here.
How many?
Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Sounds like they're up top.
Okay.
Oh, somebody's surfing on the thing.
Right.
They're going around our building.
We gotta
Did you
move.
stay on the ground?
We want to get
There's a
up.
guy in the street. There's a guy in the street.
Here. Back up, Deej. Take your thing. Take your chug while you can. Whoa, what was that?
No, it's not to us yet, but we gotta move. It went up.
How do we get the height?
There's a zip line right next to it, right by me.
Yeah, but is that
Oh,
going to be
but
in
it's
zone?
gonna take-
Cool, I took some shots.
I see him.
Can I set? Oh, I'm down.
I knocked him.
Yeah.
Did I distract you?
No, it's alright. Go, Kale. Yeah. Switch. Spray your. Yeah.
What's that? Somebody sniped me from I don't know
Grab
where.
that slurp juice, Kale.
I'll splash it.
He's got a snipe.
2 others.
Yeah.
You're totally right, Nick. I should have just fucking switched over to them.
It's okay.
Chug tank.
Reload.
Yeah, don't underestimate that that spray, man. Use it like you would an SMG.
Zip line. Is it 1 team or 2?
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
In the street.
Fuck, that just gave us away.
Oh. Whoa. They're gonna die in this one.
Let's get out. Let's get a hole so we can move.
I'm in the next building.
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
Whoa, snipe? Are you kidding me?
How many teams, Nick?
Just one.
Of 2. Where are they?
Oh, I see.
Can you katana up there? He's up there. He's
the
on that
top.
roof. But don't katana out into the storm. Oh! Oh, now you gotta move, Kale. Oh, again!
I'm back on the ground.
Oh, there's fucking
There,
damage.
you got it, you got it. Spray. Deej, you can do it. There's
One
just
is
one
down,
left.
one is
You
down.
can do it, Deej.
Where are they?
Yes!
I just
Sometimes
stay on the ground.
it's better to just stay in zone. All a part of the plan. It was all a part of the plan.
3 crown wins. Yes.
Nice one.
6 assists. Half assist to win.
8 and 2. Nice.